2020 is the year no one will forget because that particular year changed everything. The way we approach the world, the way we run in this world, it changed a lot. Many people were jobless, some of them on the field with masks, some of them in home working remotely. What about education? For education, many applications helped a lot, especially Google Classroom and Zoom. In this video, we are going to learn about Google Classroom, how to organize a class with the help of Google Classroom software. End of this video, as a teacher, you can able to know how to create and manage your Google Classroom, and as a student, you can able to know how to join a class and how to do the works given by your teacher. First of all, what is a Google Classroom? In a simple way, we can say it is a virtual platform where teachers and students can connect each other and they can able to share their works and their materials and organize with the help of technology. First, how to enter into the Google Classroom? Go to the Google browser, type Google Classroom and you can able to see lot of links. Click the first link, it will open like this. It is empty now. Now I'm going to create the classes, so click the plus symbol on the right corner. So two options, join class or create class. As a teacher, you have to click the create class. It will ask some details, you just fill all the details. So click create button, so your class will be created. This is the simple method to create the class. Once you have created the class, it will show some suggestions, you can learn from that. Now you can change the class theme picture. See how I can change. Now the same class creation in your mobile. So in your mobile, open Google Classroom application. Once you open, you just get logged in with your account. Already I have one class, I'm going to create another class. So on the bottom plus symbol will be there, click that plus symbol, it will ask some details, fill all the details and click create button, it will create class for you. So class is created. Now class creation is done. Next we have to invite students into the classrooms. Go to the people. In the people, teachers and students will be there. If you want to add more teachers, you can click that plus symbol and you can add. If you want to add students, you can click the plus symbols near the students. Now I'm adding student 1, another ID I have. So once I send invite, it will send through mail to that particular mail ID. Now I'm going to show the same thing in mobile. So go to the people, same teachers and students are there, so we are going to add students. So press the student plus symbol and type the same ID. Next, announcement. If you want to announce something to your class, any important circulars, any important work, any important instructions, if you want to give, you can use this port. Both mobile and laptop, you can able to see the stream tab. Under the stream tab, you can able to see announce something. Now getting into stream, so pressing that, simply typing hi students and sending. Same thing in mobile, stream tab and typing same message hi students and posting. So once students enter into the class, they can able to see this message and they can able to comment for this message. Next, managing students. As a students, what are the freedoms they have in this classroom? For example, as a teacher, you can post any message or any picture in this stream. In the same way, students can also do. If you want to restrict that, you can do this managing students. Simple, go to your classroom, press the settings button. In the settings, you can able to see lot of options. In that stream, you just press the stream button. You can able to see three things. Student can post and command, students can only command, only teacher can post and command. So now I'm giving permission, students only can command. Same way I'm doing in my mobile also. Stream posting, students can only command. This is the way to do this. Now as a student, how to join into your classroom with the help of invitation. Here I'm entering into that student mail ID, so I can able to see one mail. Invitation came, so I am pressing the join button. Once I press the join button, as a student, I joined in the class. Once I enter in the class, I can able to see the message from my teacher, hi students. So I can able to reply, I'm typing hi and I'm sending. Same way we can do this in our mobile also. Open your Google Classroom application in your mobile, select as a student, then you can able to see the invitation, click the join button. Once you click, you will be joined in the class. Here also I can able to see the SMS. To connect more students and to meet all the students, we need class code and we need meeting link. On the top you can able to see class code. If you press this, you can able to see it in big picture. With the help of this code, they can able to join in the class. Always copy the invite link and send them, they can able to join. Under that meeting link, we can able to see click generate meeting link. If you press generate meeting link, for our class, meeting link will be created. Whenever you have meeting or online classes, with the help of this link you can do your online class with the help of Google Meet application. Same thing I am doing in my mobile. So class is created, students are joined. Now what is next? Assign some work to the students. So go to Classwork. You can able to see Meet, Google Calendar and Class Drive folder. On the left side you can able to see create button. Press the create button, lot of options are there. So first we choose assignment. Simple thing, what is the assignment you are going to give? You just give the title of that assignment, then give some instruction for that. It is optional only. Now I am giving small assignment operating system. So I'm giving small question, write any 5 system operating system, like that I'm giving assignment. Once you have given the assignment, you can able to give the marks for that assignment. On the right side you can able to see the points. I'm assigning 100 points for that. Then date, within which date they have to finish. I'm giving 2 days time and I'm setting time also. Topic, if you want to give, you can give, otherwise no need. Rubric, it is a different topic. I'll explain this in separate video. Now I'm click the assign button, so the work is assigning to the students. Here in the streamline we can able to see that assignment. Once I have entered into the student ID, I can able to see the project on the stream. I am taking the project. So if I have any doubts in this project, I can able to ask to teacher with the help of private commands. Now I'm going to do the project. Order create file. I'm creating new document. In the new document I am typing some answers. I am turning in means submitting my assignments. Once I submitted a assignment, the teacher can able to see my assignment and teacher can able to give points for my assignment. Now we are going to teacher ID. So from teacher ID, go to the classwork, press that assignment. At the top, view assignment. If teacher press that, teacher can able to see the document. So teacher can give marks at the right side and teacher can able to type commands. So returning means we are giving the corrected paper to the students. No, same way we are returning the assignment to the student with the marks. Now as a student I can able to see the marks from my ID. I'm clicking the same project. I can able to see 100 marks given for me. Then I can able to see the command also. This is a thing. Now same thing in my mobile. Go to Google Classroom, Classwork tab, plus sign, plus assignment tab. Same thing, you are going to give description, title and date and topic. Everything you are going to give and press assign button. Once you press assign button, it is assigned. Now I am in my student ID seeing the assignment. As a student, I have finished my assignment by opening the assignment. Now again I am entering with my teacher ID. I can able to see what my students have finished. Once I press the project, I can able to see the assignment. So assignment is submitted. Here I can give marks. On the top you can give marks. I am giving 100 marks, and if I need I can give any command. So press returning button. So same process what we did in PC we are doing in the mobile also. So student can able to see the marks. Assignment is done. Now we'll see how to give different works with the help of Google Classroom. Go to Classworks tab, press create button. So I'm pressing quiz. Here also same thing, you are going to give title, if you want, give instructions. So if you have quiz in your drive, you can add, always you can create, always by using the template you can create questions. So here also you can type the question, you can type instructions. Usually in the beginning of the class you can start with the question. It may be a multiple choice question or it may be a short answer question. Same options, how many points you are going to give, what is the due date, and what is the topic. Students can reply to each other, students can edit the answer. So that is up to you, you can edit that. Next, go to material. If you want to add any study material for students, you can add here. So title and description. After that, press add button. You can add YouTube video or file or link or Google Drive, anything. Always you can create with the help of that Google Docs and slides. So the file you are sharing will show to all students or specific student, that also you can select. Next one, reuse post. Already if you have used any post, with the help of this you can reuse. Now same thing in my mobile, plus symbol, press the quiz button. Once you have pressed the quiz button, same thing will come, title, description, blank quiz. Always you are going to import from file or Google Drive. Next one, question. You can start the class with the question. Same option, short answer question or multiple choice question. Here also 100 points and due date and topic, everything is available. Next option, material. With the help of this we can upload study material. Now for example I am going to add one simple material from my thing. So I am selecting one document from my mobile. It is uploading. So uploading is done. So it will be stored in our classroom folder. Next, reuse post, same thing. After that, in my computer we are checking all the things, Meet, Google Calendar and Google Drive. Yeah, if you press the class drive, it will direct you to the class folder. So whatever files we have used in our classroom, everything will be in that particular folder. Same thing in mobile. Go to mobile application. On the left side, 3 lines will be there. Click that. Classroom folders. If you press classroom folders, it will direct you to the Google Drive. You can able to see all the folders. I'm having lot of classes, so I can able to see lot of folders. So this is the way to see our classroom files. Next, people. From people you can able to control your student activity, email student or remove student or mute student. I think we have done everything. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you.